Hey guys, welcome back to another natural state fishing episode. We have got our ultralight poles out today, his and hers. 4-foot ultralight poles with our bunch of hand-tied jigs.
This is my box. He's his own.
We're gonna hit up a bunch of different spots on the creek. So, we got the first little spot here is just, right on the side of the road. You can see where we're parked here, and this is a great little fishing hole. So we're gonna hit it up and see if we can catch anything. Y'all hang out and let's see what we can find. All right, guys. Sophie's got a little blue, I've got a little yellow. Get some first cast here and see what we can find. I'm just gonna pull it right down the center. And these are both have 4-pound line, so just kind of, oh, there's one. Look at that.
Oh wow, sunfish.
It's a big old sunfish.
Got one.
Oh, Sophie got one too. 2 for 2. Look at that. First cast. Nice.
Oh, get up there, buddy.
Nice double up, babe.
My drag is too loose.
Big old bluegill.
Yeah, yours is bigger.
I got a
might
big,
be a female.
big old green sunfish.
Oh.
Here comes the truck. I'm gonna get mine back in. See you later, buddy.
Thank you, Dad.
All right.
Pretty.
Little truck going by.
Okay, my drag is too loose.
Nice, babe.
I almost took him up there because my drag was too loose.
That was awesome.
Don't worry about it.
They were cold. A lot colder than I expected them to be.
Yeah, they were a little cold. Another.
What in the world? Oh, that was a little bass.
Was it really?
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta be careful for that metal. That 4-pound line, you can really chunk these little bitty jigs. Oh, the big old bluegill. Dang, babe. Nice one.
Look at that. They're so yellow on the bottom.
Beautiful fish.
Oh yeah, they are cold. I didn't notice it till you said that.
That's a good one.
Ah, he's poking me.
Nice. Beautiful little bluegill guy.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh. See ya.
They are so feisty. Man, I almost got a bass. That would have been...
Your little blue thing's killing it.
Yeah. I got another one.
Did you really?
Yeah, I had to buy it. I got another one.
Oh, what was that? There's a little bass.
Oh, it's a bass!
Oh, I got one too. Hang on.
Is it a bass?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my gosh, this one is
Oh.
so cute. Look how tiny. Yours is... That's a
Fat
one.
little dude.
Oh my goodness. Mine's lippable.
A little
small.
jig.
Look.
Oh, oh, let me get mine. There we go. Look at there. Man.
I love it.
little bitty guys.
Thank you, bud.
See ya.
Yeah.
Bay, awesome. Dang.
That big one might have been the one I tried to get.
May have. This little hole's working out good. Oh, that one, as soon as it hit the water. Oh, how did he come off? Wow. Dang.
I didn't get anything on that cast. I'm a little offended. Okay. I'm not gonna do that.
You can really eat that thing. I just kind of reel and like this, like hop it. Not off the bottom, but just kind of pulse it in the water. Oh, something hit it. Yeah. Come over here to the other side of the road and there's not... Huh?
Cricket.
There's not much casting, but
that one.
What is that little bitty thing? Golly.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Little bitty dude.
You have your phone?
No.
Oh man.
You want me to grab it?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Look at that.
Little green sunfish.
I love the blue lines.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay. Sorry, man.
They are beautiful.
He's so cute. Look, but you can lip him. Look at it.
That's a little big kind. That's a fat little guy.
Buddy. Yeah. That's
That may be all that's on this side.
maybe. I was shocked. I passed it right by that right there. That pole.
Yeah, he just grabbed it.
I don't know what happened. It just kind of happened.